The Poisson distribution interactive calculator computes probabilities for events occurring at a known average rate. Let me show you the input fields. First, you'll see the calculation mode drop-down menu with 6 options: probability, P, X, hours K, exact value, cumulative, P, X, hours K, at most, range probability, P, A, hours X, hours B, complement, P, X, K, more than, mean, variance, and standard deviation, and estimate lambda from data. For this demonstration, I'm using probability P, X, K, exact value. Below that, you enter your average rate, LEL, then number of events, K. There are also fields for lower bound, A, upper bound, B, total events observed, and number of intervals, though these aren't needed for our selected mode. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 for average rate and 10 for number of events. After clicking Calculate, the results show probability equals 0.125110 and percentage equals 12.51, 10%. The interpretation states, the probability of exactly 10 events occurring is 12.51, 10%. This tells us that when events occur at an average rate of 10, there's about a 12.5% chance of observing exactly 10 events. This calculator simplifies complex Poisson calculations for your engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.